You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these French expression, meaning right now, immediately, like if you need to do something right now. It's very popular, very common, very useful in France. Tout de suite. Alright, so let's break down the pronunciation. French pronunciation. Tout. The T is silent here, okay? Tout de suite. Tout de suite. Do it right now. Tout de suite. Tout de suite. Tout de suite. So often the E to de is skipped and you just go from the D to the S. Suite. Tout de suite. Or if you break it down and pronounce it really well, tout de suite, or tout de suite, tout de suite. Did you get the shortening when you speak fast? Tout de suite, or tout de suite. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.